All right. This is Nick. Works at HeroBuilders. He makes those super secret stash shelves. The reason why he works at HeroBuilders is because he's a real hero, an American hero, making American products. You know what this is? You know what this is? Only you military guys know what this box is. Do they all come in this box?
Pretty much.
Pretty much. It says United States of America on it. Let me show you what this is. Let me show you why. Oh my God. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's a thing of beauty. Look at that. That is what a real Purple Heart looks like. And this is my guy. My guy. So listen. Buy some stuff. Get your super secret stash stuff. Right, Nick. You go get him. All right. Listen, we're going to go through the how to put one up. How to put one up. You know what? Let's just roll right into it now. Let me show you what we got. This is our new low profile. It's very, very thin, but can hold all the goodies that you need. And so we're just going to go through an installation. And this is the actual unit that you're going to get. And let me show you how easy this is when you get it. When you get this, you have to be careful. You just pull this out. So this is what you get. You get the mounting. You get the top piece. That's the important part about ours, is that stays in place. Whatever's on top stays. And so you get the top piece with the mounting bracket already attached. See it? And then what you will get is, this is the bottom container. That's where all of your goodies go. And you'll also just get simple. One bag, 2 screws for the small one. You'll get 1 bag with 4 screws for the medium size. And then you'll get the instructions that will take you through the several steps to get through this. And it's very simple. So rather than reading this to you, see, that's the final thing. Boom, it's on the wall. So we're just gonna set it up, and we're gonna take care of that for you. Just let me. We do what we always do with instructions because we're men. Get rid of that. Because it's so true. Alright, so here we go. This is so simple. It has 2 mounting screws that get mounted into a stud. So now normally you can just find the stud, right? Hollow, 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 solid. Did you hear that? Hollow, 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 hollow. Solid. Right there. Solid. So Nick, the hero, is going to locate that. We're going to put in 2 screws. We're going to mount this. We're going to slide that in. Go, Nick!
Yeah, thank you.
There you go. There you go. I'm out. Listen, while we're there, tap in, and tap in. And subscribe. Buy our shelf. So you see what he's doing right there? He's just mounting that. He's holding it in place. And really what you really want to do is just get the first top screw in and put that screw in place. And then that could be your pivot to line up that shelf. And so what Nick did was he used the holes already in the mounting bracket to drill the holes that are needed to mount the screws into the stud. And so it's very important to mount your screws into the stud, as Nick the hero is showing us, right? Okay. All right, so there Nick is adjusting the screws. The holes in the mounting plate are oversized so you can level off that shelf. So now we're going to mount the shelf drawer now that this is in place. Look at that, nice and sturdy. That's so beautiful. But let me show you something very interesting. when you get this, you'll see this component right here, right? This is the lock. And so it'll come, this will be pushed in. When you slide this in, you push this, that'll lock it so the drawer doesn't pull out and hit the ground. Let's say you have tons of stuff in there. So I push this back. This is the way you get it. Now I'm going to mount it. So we're going to slide that in. Nick is going to slide that in. And I'm going to move the camera so you can see what we do with that button. Hold on, hold on, hold on. So we're going to move that. So I'm just picking up the camera because we do not have a budget for this. Okay, so you see that? So the drawer's in place. So the drawer's in place. Push the button, and now it locks so it can't come out. And there it is. Oh my goodness, let's look at that again. Here it is in place. So just open that up. Look at that, nice and tight. And look, my knife goes in there again. See that? And look at that. Now, hold on, hold on. Don't go anywhere. And the great thing about our super secret stash shelf is, one, you don't need a lock because when there's an intruder, you don't want to go look for that crazy magnet thing. Everybody sells you the lock. So this is just sitting there, right? And there you go. Boom, boom. You're ready to go. And nice and tight. So that is our stash shelf in place and ready to go. All right, so it's in place. This is raw. So they come raw finished that you can paint or stain any way you like to fit with your decor. But we're going to have raw, we're going to have black stain, not paint, stain, and brown, the walnut as they call it. I really don't, you know what I'm saying. But the shelf that we're going to put in here is this one right here, which is going to be yellow finished. But not only that, this is the deep dish. So this is the large profile, and then this is the low profile shelf. So there'll be two of those and then two sizes. And so the second size that we have for immediate sale in stock ready to go is the medium shelf. So you can mount this any way you want, or by itself, or on top of, or below, caddy corner, whatever. So anyway, this is much bigger, much more storage for almost anything. And we also have the high profile or the large profile in the medium also. So you'll have a range. They all come raw, and they all come black stain, brown stain, and then you can paint them any way you want, like our beautiful yellow and purple. All right, so that's all I have to say. So let's get it. Let's get it.
Get it.
Get it. You tell them they can get it. All right, listen, tap in. Tap in. All right, listen, so we're at the end of this fantastic video. I had so much fun. Listen, tap in, ring the bell, subscribe, tell your friends. The new HeroBuilders marketplace is opening. We need American companies making products in America. This is, besides HeroBuilders action figures, this is now our foray into woodworking. I'm an old school woodworker from back in the day. This is our stash shelf or safe shelf or drawer, whatever you want to call it. Call it whatever you want. But let me show you what I put in mine. You ready? Oh, this is post-finished, by the way. Did I say that? It's got the yellow. It's got the purple. So beautiful. Anyway, let's get right into that. So you know what I carry in mine? I carry a knife. That's right. Gotta have a knife. Everybody's got to carry a knife. I know what you're saying. I know. Oh, that's not a knife. I got a knife. Yeah, whatever. Listen, I got one of those too. And my other knife looks like this. You heard? So, you can also put your little gun in there. So that's important. You can put cash in there. I don't have any cash. I should put some cash. But you know what I put in there? Even more valuable than cash. You know what it is. Yep. these guys. So that's how we do it, Hero Builders. Listen, tap in, tell your friends, and if you don't believe me, believe this guy. His voice fell out. He lost his voice. Believe this guy. Hero Builders, tap in, tap in. All right, enough from you. All right, listen, these are on sale. They're in stock. We'll never not be out of stock. You'll see the stock amount that's there. When you order, they ship the same day as long as you order by 12 noon Eastern Time. Hero Builders, Marketplace, tap in.